And today I want to talk about a Discover promo that you might not be aware of. So now typically if you apply for many cards, a lot of them have a certain promotion or certain offer, which will be something like 0% APR for 6 months or 12 months, sometimes even more, or introductory balance transfer APR, something to that effect to kind of get you enticed to apply for a credit card. And it's pretty much been under the radar. You may not have been aware of this. Is certain cardholder members, if you reach out to Discover and simply ask them, hey, what kind of offers or what kind of promotions are you currently offering? Many members have been receiving 0% APR for 12 months. Now, a couple of years ago, I've seen them offer an additional 2% cash back or 3% cash back to certain members. But right now, as I'm recording this, and I'm recording this on December 7th, 2022, and I don't know how long this is normally going to go. Normally, these types of offers, they normally last maybe a few weeks. This is not something that you'll see plastered on their website. And matter of fact, let's jump over to the website because again, this is not something that you're going to see plastered and advertised everywhere. But I want to make sure you guys are aware of this, especially if you're a Discover cardholder. So now you can see I'm on Discover's website. Specifically, I'm on their credit cards subpage. A lot of these you may be aware of. And as I was mentioning before, many of these cards, if you're applying for the very first time, you're going to see there's going to be a 0% APR for 15 months on purchases and balance transfers. The student cashback card has 0% intro APR for 6 months. But this particular offer that I'm talking about is not for first-time applicants or introductory APRs. This is for people that have been cardholder members for maybe a couple of years. You already gone through your introductory APR. Many people are familiar with retention offers, and I talked about this about a year or so ago, where you will call a credit card company and you will kind of pretend that you're trying to maybe cancel your credit card, or maybe you're trying to change your credit card, and they call it a retention offer in that the credit card company wants you to stay with them. They want to keep your business. They may offer you something that I'm talking about right now, which is an additional 6 months or 12 months in 0% APR. They may try to offer you something just to make sure that you're excited. You want to stay with the company. You want to continue to do business because they get paid money every time you swipe your credit card. So they don't want you to go. They don't want you to go to a competitor. So they're always going to try to give you something to entice you, to something to keep you excited to continue to stay with them. Now, in this example, there's not going to be anything that you're going to see plastered on their website, plastered on their email campaigns or text message campaign. The only thing that you have to do to figure out whether or not you're qualified for this is call their customer service line, or if you're already a member and you have the app, all you got to do is log in, check the app, and ask the customer service rep, hey, are there any offers, any promotional offers that I qualified for? Is there anything out there that I need to be aware of? And many people have been receiving 0% APR for 12 months. And again, I got to reiterate, this is not the same intro APR as if you were a first-time applicant, as if you just opened the credit card. This promo is for cardholder members that have been members for quite some time. Maybe you haven't been doing a lot of spend on your card. This is December, so many of us that are watching right now, you're probably going to be doing some Christmas shopping or holiday shopping within the next few weeks. This is probably the perfect time for them to start giving out these type of promos. Again, 0% APR for 12 months. All you have to do is call customer service or get on their chat and simply ask them, hey, do I qualify for this offer? Or if there are any offers out there that I do qualify for, and also for my non-Discover members, you want to do this to your credit card issuer regardless, once a year or maybe once every other year. You just kind of want to test the waters. Call your credit card issuer and just ask them, hey, I have this card. I'm not really using it as much. I'm kind of looking at other cards. Is there any promotional offer that you guys are running right now that I can kind of take advantage of? These are kind of behind the scenes offers for their members to keep them engaged, to keep them excited. They want to get them to continue to spend. It is the holiday season, so they know a lot of us are going to be spending quite a bit of money over the next couple of weeks. So if you're somebody that you know that you're going to be spending a lot of money over the next couple of weeks, call your credit card issuer, see what's going on. You're going to be surprised. You may qualify for an additional promotion that is not readily available for other people, right? So that's pretty much it. This is a very quick video. All of my Discover cardholder members, you already know what to do. And for all of my non-Discover members, make sure to call your credit card issuer anyway and see what they have going on, because you may be pleasantly surprised. So that's pretty much it. That's all I have for you. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a blessed one. Peace.